if you want to lock apps on Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. In the settings we can scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy, and scroll all the way down over here in order to find app lock. Select app lock. We need to turn on the app lock over here, and we need to set up the privacy password if you didn't do that before. So let's go to settings, and now we need to set the privacy password. We can also choose a different password type if you want to, so I'm gonna actually switch from 6 digits to just 4, but of course in your case you can choose any other password type. I'm gonna set up an easy password. If it's easy to guess, then of course you will see this information that it is too common, but you can use it anyway. Enter the same password again. And then we also have the security settings where you need to either set up the recovery email or we can set up a question. However, I think we can just close this. Actually, no, we do have to choose one of them. So in my case, I'm gonna just set up a simple question. In this case, we can also set up a custom question. So I'm just gonna write something like this. Of course, you should set up a proper security question over here in this case. Don't follow my steps here. Alright, so once the privacy password is set up, now you can choose which apps should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna lock perhaps this app over here, and then we can also scroll down, and let's say I'm gonna lock Facebook, and so on and so forth. So we can of course lock as many apps as we want to. Once that is done, we can go back, and if you try to open any of these locked apps, as you can see, you need to enter the privacy password. In addition to that, you should be able to go to the settings. So in order to find settings, tap on these 3 dots over here in the top right corner, and then we can go to set now, and we can find some settings where we can, for example, change when apps should be locked. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.